Hello unicorns, welcome to Tales of Unicorn, and this is me Haritha Balasubramaniam. And if you're new to this channel, please do watch the video fully and do subscribe and support me. So this video is a part of continuation of the previous video. So if you haven't watched it yet, I'll give the link in the I button here or in the description. You can please check it out because this is the second part actually, so you will understand it only if you go and watch the first part. So I am at a cafe in Mahabalipuram and the name of the cafe is Kalos Cafe. So it is with a beach view. So let's go inside and have some really good food. You have to scan a QR to get the menu and you can order the dishes from the menu. So for the appetizers, we have got tawa prawns and pepper chicken soup. So first I'm going to try the tawa prawns. Tastes really good and delicious. It's just like some homemade prawn, like வீட்ல prawn தொக்கு பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா, so it's similar to that, so it's really nice. Tawa prawns. So next I'm going to try out the pepper chicken soup. There's a lot of pepper floating at the top, so konjam bayama da irukku. And aavi also parakudhu. எனக்கு மட்டும் தான் டேஸ்ட் வரலையா? ரொம்ப சட்டிலாக இருக்குது, எந்த ஒரு ஃப்ளேவர்ஸும் பெருசாக தெரியல. பெப்பர் ஆப்வியஸ்லி இருக்குதான். ஸோ த சிக்கன் இஸ் வெல் குக்ட், இட்ஸ் சாஃப்ட், பட் அதர் தேன் தட் ஐ டோன்ட் கெட் எனி ஃப்ளேவர்ஸ். It's a very normal subtle soup. So next I'm going to try out the mixed seafood pizza. I love thin slices like this, so I'm really happy with that. And here we have grilled prawns, crab, marandita. Anyways, let me taste it. Tastes really good. And the thin crust was like so crispy at the bottom and so juicy in the at the top. So adha vida cheese vandu you cannot find the cheese pull much, but taste la the cheese tastes amazing. I am a fan of cheese. A big thumbs up to this dish, mixed seafood pizza. And it's also the first time I'm trying seafood on this. I've tried chicken pizza, but I've not tried seafood like fish, prawn or anything else. It tastes really good. You can definitely try this out. So finally the chicken lasagna is here. All ready to taste it, but before that let me taste this garlic bread. Essence of garlic is so mild, but otherwise not too crispy, not too spongy. It's in the correct texture. only the essence is missing a bit. Time to taste the lasagna. Chicken lasagna, awesome. It's so delicious, and the meat is so tender, and the cheese, where a level. Must try. Chicken lasagna and tawa prawns is a must try here. So here I am finishing it off with dessert, and I have ordered white and dark waffles. White and dark waffles, white chocolate and dark chocolate topping. Let me taste it. Yummy. Really good. Chocolate and the waffles, perfect combination. When you are here, definitely try out the white and dark waffles too. Okay guys, so I have completed my meal here and it's review time. So let's talk it in factors. The first factor is location. So we do not know the exact location. We used Google Maps, and Google Maps made us reach here very safely, and it gave us the exact location. And the second thing we are going to talk about is the view. Amazing beach view. Usually even if it's for hotel rooms, I don't think what is there. I'll be thinking what would be there in a beach view. Just we'll have a look at the beach, that's all. But it really relaxes our mind. It gives us peace of mind, and the serenity here is superb. So definitely a beach view cafe is a must. And the third factor is about the ambience. Actually I referred this here in some previous YouTube videos and also Instagram posts. It was not pretty much the same. It was not as expected. And the fourth thing is the food. Tawa prawn, chicken lasagna and the white and dark waffles, amazing, must try. And the pizza, thin crust pizza, if you are a lover of thin crust pizza, you will definitely love it. But the mixed seafood concept at the start, it was good, but eventually after eating, you feel heavy within a few bites itself, so you don't get to enjoy the lump sum amount of meal. And the final thing, hospitality 5 on 5. They take care of your needs whenever, and they serve it according to your expectation. So I'll mention the location of this Scallops Cafe here in the description. If you are somewhere near here, or if you're planning to come here, do visit, try it out, and also let me know your experience. So for now, I am ending this video here. If you like this video, please do like it, subscribe my channel if you haven't done it yet. And no, my ride is not completed here, and I'm going to a very important place. This is the place why I started my travel. So please do stay tuned with me, watch the next video, and see you guys real soon in my video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.